Culase.
Christian REYES.
Nicholas BUNAG.
And I'm SIMBA GONZALES.
And we're here to discuss our math world project, and we're here to discuss linear programming and how to solve it.
So guys, sana matutunan nyo kung paano yung sa math world namin yun para din sa inyo na matuto yun. Yun, share lang namin yung mga natutunan namin sa math world.
Para matulungan namin. Let's start. For this example, we're going to go through and establish how to set up a system of equations in order to solve linear programming property. As you can see in this problem, x represents cleaning and y for polishing. So my profit is equals to 7.75x plus 850y. So in this next step, we're going to talk about the time and the cost for cleaning a car. So for cleaning a car, it takes 1.5 hours, and for polishing it takes 2 hours. So it will be 1.5x plus 2y, and it says 120 hours per week, so it will be no more than 120. So for the cost, it takes $2.25, and for polishing it costs $1.50, and that can be no more than $135. So it will be 2.25x plus 1.50 35. Now it comes time to graph. So we're going to use the intercepts to graph them. If I have 1.5x plus 2y less than or equal to 120, we're going to cover up the y value to get my x-intercept. So if I cover up the y to figure out what x is, 1.5 times something is going to be 120. The x will be 80, 0. So in this graph, it will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and there's my x-intercept. Next, for the y-intercept, if I cover up the x value, 2y equals 120, so my y-intercept would be 60, so it will be 60, 0, 60. Graph, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since it's a less than or equal to, I'm gonna connect this with a straight line. For the next equation, if I will get the intercepts for x, since the y value is 0, I have 2.25x times something, and that something would be 60, 0. And for the y is 0, 90. So in the graph, for the x-axis, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for the y-axis, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to connect it with straight line. So right in the middle, we have an intersection point. Since both of these are less than, we're going to shade beneath those lines. So here we have the quarter points. First one is 0, 0. 0, 60, 60, 0, and the last one is 40, 30. The objective functions, we have 7.75 times 0 plus 8.5 times 0. Obviously, it is 0. Second one, 7.75 times 0 plus 8.5 times 60 equals 330. Third one, we have 7.75 times 60, and it will be 465. One, it is 7.75 times 40 plus 8.5 times 30. And the maximum profit will be 565.
Ayun, so guys, salamat sa panonood at naway natuto kayo, at kung meron pa kayong mga gustong matutunan, comment nyo lang dito sa baba, and naway natulungan namin kayo, at yun, yung mga natutunan namin sa mga teachers namin, sa mga prof namin, ay share lang namin. Naway pagtandaan nyo, paglaan nyo ay mag-share din kayo. Maraming salamat.
Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.